8.4.
Smarty on me.
What? 8 point what?
8.4 back. 8.4 back.
Later one.
Yo, click on, click on.
They're mounting up. One side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And wait. Defensive. And spread inside. Kill that guy.
OC.
Spread. Go southwest. Pull check and OC. Go southeast. Wait. Go southeast. I think we can hold here. Go back inside. Go back inside. Seal. Go back inside yung hills.
What the
Go back
fuck
inside
is
yung hills.
happening, bro?
Just seal.
Where?
They might kidnap our healer. The Hodis using Jagger.
Teka lang. Naka-hedge yan. Mag-spread lang kayo, hindi tayo
careful.
mamamatay.
This guy, wait. Naka-adjudicator, naka-adjudiboots yung yung pangkila. Careful. Pag nag-open na, i-book up na lang agad yan. Look on this guy in 5, 4. Wait. Wait on this guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guy. Choke na. And,
Wait. Counter.
Defense. Matay si King. Heal. Go inside na pa. Isa na pa. Ano gamit mo, Tin? Tayo na, ba't ka naklap si Tin? Lutin. Heal. Keep on healing. Isa na bilis on this guy. Keep on dropping kills. Just kiss on double. We just hold it. Kanyo kiss on double siya. Brawler tayo eh. Drop ilang kayo pag brawler kayo. Hindi nyo kailangan sabay sa akin. Club weapons lang nga sabay sa akin. Wait. Looking for defensive. Look southwest in 5, 4, 3. Pagbag ako. Gago, binalik ako. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Kill it lang guy. Just hold it. Stabilize again. Drop Judy here. Kill this guy. Kill some numbers on this guy. Oh. Wait. Spread. They might engage. Spread. Keep on spreading. Keep on spreading. Try to kidnap them. Wait. Looking na. Defensive now. And look southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Big. Kill the guy. Finish the guy. Good job. And keep on dropping hills. Take your cooldowns. Cool down. And wait. Ready.
Okay, magclamp.
Di pa ako.
Okay, magclamp.
Wait,
Naka-hedge
book
yan.
southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kill the tank. Kill the hodge. And come back. Spread. Defensive.
Okay lang, si Jabam siya yung namatay.
Okay. Yeah.
Si
Keep
Jabam.
on dropping Judy here. Kill inside the Judy.
Ready na.
Pa-open yan 2 minutes ah.
Ready.
1 minute.
Just look southeast. Wait. Look southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this outkeepers. Fucking miss. On the outkeepers. Kill the outkeepers.
Spam mo lang yan, Seb. Spam mo lang.
Kiss on outkeeper. Kiss on W, boys. And spread. Keep on spreading. They might look again. Yes. Keep on spreading.
Spam mo lang yan, Seb. Spam mo lang. Kahit wag ka na sumabay sa club.
Okay, di ka sabay sa base. Spam mo lang sa labas yan. Bakit may hirapan mag-hit. Keep on spreading, okay? Especially healers, don't go in the front.
Okay,
Huwag
magclamp. Yan lang ang
Wait.
Coach looking.
Sige.
Pwede mo na i-ano
This
din.
guy, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this guy. Kill it one guy. And come back, spread.
18 seconds.
After you drop your spread, okay? Wait, defensive. Look out east. Wait. Just, you hold them and choke. Wait.
7 seconds.
4. Wait. Ilan seconds?
G8.
Ready. Look at this, wire, itong hammer, this hammer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's get. And spread again.
Layo nyo sa akin.
Keep on spreading. I need the carving. Come on. Keep on spreading. Yes, can you, kill this guy? Kill some numbers this guy. Loot mo yung, loot mo yung
Careful.
They're looking.
Okay na yung silver bag.
Just spread, keep on spreading. Wait, keep on spreading. That hodge will engage soon. Look southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Kill. Parola ng caller. Come back. Defensive now. Nice defensive. Heal. Keep on holding the choke. Can you come northwest? Pull them inside. Dropping you here. Pull them inside. Para ma-aggro yung Lloyd. Asan yung Lord? Patay na. Heals.
Buhay pa.
On this guy, 5, 4. Kill dodge. Ba't ang gano'n nakapag-double siya, gago? Di ba na-hold yun?
Oh, yung Hajj yan, nasa
Keep on
loob.
spreading.
Yung Hajj nasa
Keep on
loob.
spreading.
Spread.
Yes, keep on spreading. Take your cooldown.
Slowly, 10
Looking. Defend.
5, 4 seconds, 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. And come back na ito. Come back na ito on heals. We just keep on doing the same thing, okay? Just keep on doing the
Si
same.
Max.
Drop heals here. Mag-auto-attack ka. Di ka ba naka-ano? Pay mo? Yung pang mana? Wala mana heals. Just heal. Wala mana heals.
Zodiac.
Defend. So, Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. May root bond kasi. Ball them. Come southeast. Ball them southeast. Level low. Ball them southeast. Defensive now. Ball them southeast, boys. Ball them southeast. Keep on balling them southeast. Keep on balling with them. Keep on balling with them. Come on with them. Wait. 3 seconds. Look northeast. Wait. Northeast in 5. Wait. I got feed. Fucking feed. Look northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is all of them. Defensive now. Kill them. Finish your kill. Walk them. Keep on walking them with the dropping hits. Keep on walking while dropping hits. Keep on walking while dropping hits. Keep on walking while dropping hits. Heals. We keep on healing. Come back southeast if you are low. Okay? Come back southeast if you are low. Look, wait. No, not yet bleeding. Just hold.
Itong dalawa na lang, Green.
Bailing na?
O, biling na. Itong dalawa na lang, itong dalawa.
Pamir, wang.
Bobo.
North.
Guys, the last stand. Push.
TLD.
Nalat mo na
Mount
sa
up if
TLD daw, Drin.
TLD. Mount up if TLD. May nahabol din kami dito. One guy here.
Putang ina, gago. Nice, wow. Tuk. Sila wa. Tuk.
Apa.
What this guy doing here, bro?
Bro, fuck this one, bro. He called tuk-tuk, bro. No cap.
No, bro. I told you.
Pinatay ni Iwang yung
Just
isa.
run. Loot the outpost later. O kaya try to loot pag ano.
They're not doing going.
Sigang sila, bro.
May mga cracker dito sa ping ko, Drin.
Wait.
I told you already, bro.
Kill this guy fast. Ano ba yung dala ni Bamsi?
May
Hindi ko alam.
1.5M. Meron pa rito.
Try to loot.
Ah,
city.
There's one guy cracker here.
Nice.
Awat.
There's one guy.
Cracker.
Man out
Okay
of
lang yung
the...
gago.
Hey, dismounted.
Where? Kill the guy.
May kasama yan.
Isa. Catch.
May kasama yan.
Nice one. On this guy. Puta yun, di nahihila. Yamot. Dismantled guy. Wala yan, cracker. Yip. Ang gagawin yan. Magpapakit lang
Hindi,
yan.
pero basta may kasama, Drin. Basta may kasama.
We
Okay
just
lang.
play together.
Minus 1
Madami
sila.
naman tayo dito. It's okay. Minus 1 agad. We just play together, boys. Don't let him go, okay?
Oh, fuck.
Ganker ata to. Ganker yan. Gago. Naka-bridge shot creep. Yun. Come to Terry, boys.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
good job there. Only team died, right? Yeah, good job.
Gago, ang galing ni
Ay, it's okay. Bamsi not counted, bro.
Gago, ang galing ni Wang. Nasa lubong ko siya. May nahabol akong isa, pinatay ni Wang yung isa.
Come to cross, boys. Come to cross.
Tang ina, ang bobobo nila. Tang ina, mag-board review na tayo, gago.
So bad, bro. It's so bad we don't have enough damage. But
Hey, I can
it's good that we have Assassin Hood.
go
Yeah,
inside that liga.
What? You don't know? Babigyan na ng perms?
No, I have perms.
Okay.
I mean, I can go into the Terry liga.
Sige, come to Terry.
There's
just
any
go
fight?
inside.
Yeah, that's
we just
fine, bro.
I'm coming,
I
bro.
will look my screen, bro. Look at my screen, nigga.
Sino yung namatay doon kanina? Si Tin?
Wala, no?
Sitin.
Nakuha ko yung ano mo,
Doing,
yung
bro.
Stalker Shoes tsaka Hellion. Nasa akin.
Wala na tayo, ano? Wala na tayong ibang outpost din.
Too bad, bro. We got ratted. Fuck. But it's okay. I think we had good fight.
Good job.
Good hit.
Good job.
Oh my god, bro.
Tangina nung root bond, gago.
Nabaliw sila
Puta.
sa hold. Nabaliw sila sa hold, gago.
Kaya nga,